Everyone enjoys being appreciated. Compliments, recognition, and attention are normal human needs. However, for many people with strong narcissistic traits, attention becomes much more than something enjoyable. It becomes a source of validation that supports how they see themselves. Admiration reinforces their sense of importance. Praise can temporarily boost their confidence. When attention is constant, they often feel secure and valued. But when attention disappears, they may feel ignored, unimportant, or emotionally threatened. Because of this, some begin seeking new ways to regain the spotlight. This can include creating unnecessary drama, starting arguments, exaggerating achievements, or even playing the victim. While these behaviors may look different, they all have one thing in common: they attract attention. Interestingly, even negative attention can serve the same purpose. If people are talking about them, criticizing them, or reacting emotionally, they still remain at the center of the conversation. When they feel ignored, some may become angry, guilt-trip others, use excessive affection to regain closeness, or simply move on to someone new who provides admiration. The healthiest response isn't to become part of the drama. Instead, recognize manipulative patterns, set clear boundaries, and avoid rewarding behaviors designed only to provoke emotional reactions. Finally, it's important to remember that enjoying attention does not make someone a narcissist. What matters is a long-term pattern of excessive admiration seeking, entitlement, lack of empathy, and manipulative behavior, not one isolated action.